Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. So it's going to be a twist out tutorial. And throughout the tutorial, I'm going to give you guys some tips. Make sure you guys have subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any more tutorials or fitness videos. Okay guys, here we go. So I already washed my hair and I just leave it in twist until I'm ready to do it and style it. So you're going to start twisting like a regular twist out, and you're going to go almost all the way to the end, and you're going to leave like a little bit of hair at the end, and you're going to take a perm rod and you're going to wrap it all the way around. One thing I will say is to make sure that you keep your hair moisturized. And by moisturize, I mean adding like a leave-in conditioner, some water, some oil to your hair every few days to every couple of days. You don't want to let your hair get dry, because when you let your hair get dry, it's going to break. And as fast as it's growing, you're not going to see any growth because your hair is breaking as fast as it's growing. So ladies and gentlemen, make sure you are moisturizing your hair every few days. Another piece of advice I would give you guys is to make sure you are massaging your scalp with oil. I massage my scalp with oil every other night to every 2 nights. And if you are somebody who's struggling with like the strength of your hair, or if your hair is like breaking all the time, I would definitely recommend you start oiling your scalp, oiling your ends every other night. Make sure that you are re-wetting your hair if it gets dry, because you don't want to twist your hair on dry hair because your products won't sink in. My hair is all twisted. I usually let it sit overnight and dry, but if I have somewhere to be, then I just sit under a hooded dryer for like an hour and a half. I try to stay away from that, but I'm not gonna say that I don't use heat, because I do. You have places to be and you don't want to be looking crunchy. Do what you have to do. So I will come back to you guys with the final look. So much for watching. If you made it to the end, let's comment below a heart. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you for tuning in, and if you're subscribed, thank you so much for returning back to my channel. It's soft, it's bouncy, it's moisturized, which is what us natural girls are always chasing. Okay, as you can see, some of the curls are bigger than others, and that's because I had those different color Permrods in my head, which were different sizes, but hair came out nice. I hope you guys try it. If you try it, let me know. Post my social media accounts below. If you guys have any questions, leave them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.